Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how to fix if TikTok is not letting you follow anyone. So the first thing that we are going to do is to restart the app. So when you use an app for a long time at a stretch or the app is open in the background, for long hours there can be processing errors. So the same is true for TikTok. After a long use, an error can initiate in the runtime of the app and cause problems like stopping you when you want to follow other profiles. So the simplest and quickest fix is to simply restart the app. So a restart will reload the app with all its files and eliminate any error in the app process. So what you can do to do this is to open the app switcher, and then in here just close the TikTok and then launch again the TikTok from the menu, so it should do the trick. But if that still didn't fix the problem, what you can do is to wait for some time. So when you reach an hourly or daily follow limit, so the TikTok follow button gets blocked for you. So follow more than 30 users in an hour or 200 users in a day, and TikTok will stop you from following any account. So in such scenario, you can do nothing but to wait until the restriction lifts up. So next, what you can do is to update your TikTok. So old versions of an app may contain bugs and result in malfunctions, like an unable to follow people or the TikTok out of sync problem. But it can be solved with a simple application update, so therefore you should update the app. So to update your TikTok app, what you can do, so if you're using a iOS or an Android device rather, go to your Play Store and then just search on the TikTok on the search bar, and then if you see the update button right there, just go ahead and tap on that and then wait for the TikTok app to be updated. But if you're using an iOS device, go to your App Store and then do the same thing. Just search the TikTok app on your search bar on your App Store and then just update the TikTok if an update is available. So next, what you can do if this process still didn't fix the problem, what you can do is to simply clear the cache of your TikTok app. So to clear the cache, go to your settings and then go tap on to the app management right here and then tap onto your app list. And then in here, we are going to find the TikTok. So just wait for a few seconds until you see the list of apps here. So let us go and search for the TikTok or find the TikTok right here. So here's the TikTok. So in order for us to clear the cache, just go ahead and tap onto the storage usage, and then right here, as you can see, it says that clear cache. So go ahead and tap onto that. So you can clear the cache by simply tapping on the clear cache button right there. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.